Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Half-Life 2 RTX game keeps crashing on PC or not launching, stuck on loading screen, unable to launch, lagging, freezing or other problems. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam option, click on Steam and then click on exit. After that, click on power start option, then click on power and then select a restart. So after restarting your system, now launch the game and see if it is working. If not, next is to disable in-game overlay. For that go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, go below, click on in-game, and from here you need to disable the Steam overlay while in game option. After this, launch the game to see if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, then click on browse. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then here select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, try to launch the game and check if it helps. If not, you need to click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to update graphics driver. For that, go to Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and again click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics card. After updating it, launch the game and see if it's working now. Nvidia and AMD users, go through this link I have given in the description and update your graphics card, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then check if it helps. If not, then type -dx12 and then launch the game to check if it's working or not. Next is to disable integrated graphics. So whatever graphics that is integrated in your system, kindly disable it and then try to launch the game. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After this, select your integrated graphics card, right click on it and here you need to click on disable device. So after disabling it, now try to launch the game and check if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you can see if there is any update available. If yes, simply click on update option and after that launch the game to see if it helps. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on installed files and from here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now hopefully you can play the game. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to search option, search for Windows security. Now after it opens, click on firewall and network protection, then go below, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, here you need to click on change settings and from here you have to search for your game if it's listed. If not, you need to click on allow another app, go to the game folder where it has been installed and after that open it and select and add it to the list here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK and then try to launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next solution is to increase virtual memory settings. So for that, go to Windows search for view advanced system settings. Here click on advanced, then click on settings. After that, click on advanced, then click on change. Make sure you select the drive where your game has been installed. Now click on custom size. Here you have to type initial size is to 12288 and maximum size you need to type 24576 and then set and then click on OK. So after this, launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to update system BIOS. For that, check your motherboard first. After that, visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing, and at last restart your system and test the game if it is working. Next is to close other background processes. For that, you need to go to search bar, search for task manager over here. After that, from processes tab, here you need to search for the app or game that is of no use but running in the background. So after you select it, right click on it, click on end a task option, and this will close the app or game completely from background, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, then go below, and here you need to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. After this, launch the game to see if you can play it without any problem. If the issue occurs, next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through this link. I have already given in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. Now go below. From here you need to download your latest Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install and then launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Half-Life 2 RTX game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game from your system, restart your system once. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall the game once again. After reinstalling the game, click on play option and try to play it and check if it's working without any further problem. So these are a few suggested methods that I have provided you to fix the game crashing, not launching, or facing any other kind of issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.